Tired of sluggish computers holding you back? Imagine a desktop that's not only powerful and reliable, but also looks fantastic on your desk. Introducing the Dell Optiplex 7010 Desktop Computer Renewed PC, a powerhouse engineered for performance and value. This isn't your average refurbished computer. It's been meticulously restored and upgraded with top-tier components. Think lightning-fast Intel Core i5 processor, a whopping 16 GB of RAM, and a massive 2 TB hard drive. But that's not all. We've bundled it with a brand new 22-inch Full HD monitor, an RGB keyboard and mouse, and even RGB speakers. Get ready to experience smooth multitasking, immersive visuals, and a vibrant gaming experience, all without breaking the bank. Ready to upgrade your setup? Read on to discover how this Dell Optiplex 7010 desktop computer bundle can revolutionize your computing experience. Brand name: Dell Operating System, Windows 10 Pro CPU model, Core i5, CPU speed, 3.2 GHz, cache size, 16 GB, graphics card description. Integrated graphics coprocessor, Intel Iris Z graphics, memory storage capacity, 2 TB, memory slots available. 2. Specific uses for product: gaming, standing screen display size, 22, screen resolution, 1920 by 1200 pixel, processor, 3.2 GHz Core_Wi-Fi, RAM, 16 GB DDR3, memory speed, 4800 MHz, card description. Integrated graphics card RAM size, 128 MB, wireless type, 802.11 AB per gram NAC, number of USB 2.0 ports, 6, number of USB 3.0 ports, 2 series, Optiplex item model number, 7010 9010 3010. Hardware platform PC, item weight 4.02 pounds, item dimensions LXWXH, 16.1x4 by 14.2 inches, color, black, processor brand, Intel, computer memory type, DDR3 SDRAM, hard drive interface, serial ATA, hard drive rotational speed, 7200 RPM, optical drive type, DVD-RW. About this item: powerful processor and superior storage. Configured with top of the Intel Core i5 processor for lightning-fast, reliable, and consistent performance to ensure an exceptional PC experience. 16 GB RAM memory to smoothly run multiple applications and browser tabs all at once. 2 TB HDD storage space to store apps, games, photos, music, and movies. Loaded with 16 GB to zip through multiple tasks in a hurry without lag. New 22-inch Full HD, 1920 by 1080, LED monitor. With 75 Hz, high-quality panel with quick refresh rate and response time. With 1080p resolution, you can enjoy gaming or a modern computing experience. 22-inch monitor has a smart contrast to provide optimized image quality. Bezel-less and sleek design with glossy finish, crisp edge-to-edge visuals. Wide viewing angles for clarity from any viewpoint. VESA mountable and built-in tilt options allow for a variety of monitor configurations. RGB keyboard and mouse. RGB speaker. 3 LED colors: blue, red, green, backlight, LED. Lights for use at nighttime. Looks amazing. The keyboard, mouse, and speaker are responsive, reliable, and probably plastered in RGB lights. It's important you pick the right one for your desktop. Windows 10 Pro Latest. A new installation of the latest Microsoft Windows 10 Professional 64-bit operating system software, free of bloatware commonly installed from other manufacturers. As Microsoft's latest and best OS to date, Windows 10 Pro 64-bit will maximize the utility of each PC for years to come. Optional software such as antivirus and Office 365 can also be easily downloaded through the Microsoft Windows App Store. Product description: renewed Dell Professional Desktop PC with Intel Quad-Core, 3.2 GHz processor, 16 GB RAM, 2 TB hard drive, Windows 10 Pro, Wi-Fi adapter, USB Wi-Fi. New 22 inches 1080p FHD, 1920 by 1080, LED monitor, USB RGB keyboard, USB RGB mouse, RGB speaker. Every component is tested for full functionality and compatibility to ensure years of ongoing performance and reliability. Exterior cosmetics are restored to a like-new condition, with little to no visible signs of previous use. A fresh and authentic installation of Microsoft Windows 10 is performed with the new activation license digitally rendered in the PC for an easy and secure start upon first use. PC configuration specs. Model: Dell Professional Desktop. CPU: Intel Quad-Core 5 processor. RAM: 16 GB. Hard drive: 2 TB HDD SATA. Operating system: Windows 10 Pro. USB 6. USB 2.02. USB 3.0 ports for connectivity. Network: Onboard Gigabit Network Adapter *. This computer bundle will arrive at your doorstep ready to use right out of the box, with all necessary cables included. Originally designed for heavy use in the corporate environment, this Dell Professional Desktop computer has been fully renewed with higher quality and more advanced components than you'll find in any typical retail model. Perfect for business, home, and school, this computer has been professionally refurbished by a Microsoft authorized refurbisher. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.